Welcome to the featured video of Magento 2 Restore Cancelled Order Extension by FMEextensions. Do you want to streamline order management and avoid sales losses due to accidental order cancellation? The Magento 2 Restore Cancelled Order extension is the perfect choice for you. This extension helps you recover orders you canceled by mistake or requested by an indecisive customer. Key features of this extension are: restore orders individually or in bulk, restrict restoring orders by customer groups and countries, restore a canceled order within a specified period, write a custom text for the Restore Order button. Let's see how it works. Log in to your Magento admin panel and navigate to Sales. Orders. Go to an order that has been canceled. You will see the Restore Order button. Click on it to uncancel the order. You can see the status has been changed to pending. To restore canceled orders in bulk, select all the canceled orders and click Restore Order from the Action dropdown. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit this link.